Luke here from Garden State Koi. So the question is, do the new SL mini jugs work in the old style dosing system? Luckily the answer is yes, but then how? So I've taken off the head of the old system here. This is my new style jug. This cap comes off, and actually very critical here, becomes two pieces. And now this hose right here can pass through. And now this setup here will just work with this jug and screw onto the top. And then your settings will still be controlled right here. And just to show here, there's my bucket. Fits right in there.